Hi guys, this is me, Kian, and I'm here to tell you about Scratch in a short video. Here we go. The first step is to download the latest version of Scratch, which is Scratch 3.0. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own project. And I'll explain everything in a very simple way. Let's start. This will open your workspace. Now this is my screen. I have still not downloaded the Scratch app. So if you want to download, go on the Microsoft Store, click on the search icon. Search Scratch 3.0. After doing that, the option of Scratch 3.0 download will come. Click on that and you will be seeing this screen. Click on the blue download button. After doing that, go to the Scratch window. Click the Windows icon on your keyboard and the Scratch 3 window will be added over here, as you can see. Let's click it. We will see the Scratch window. As you can see on my screen, the Scratch window has opened. See, the cat over here, that is the sprite. There are various sprites you can choose from, like Abby, Balloon 1, Button 5, Characters 2, and many more. You can choose from the categories over here, such as animals, people, fantasy, dance, music. Now let's go back and see. This is the script area. This is where we put the instruction blocks for the sprite to perform on the stage. The stage is the area where the sprite performs its actions. This is the sprite catalog. You can see all the sprites that you have selected. This is the sprite setting area. As you can see here, it has all the settings, such as set the name of the sprite you are doing the actions with, or the X and Y coordinates. You can even hide the sprite or show it. It includes the size too and the direction. The default name of the sprite is Sprite 1 and the default size is 100 and the direction is 90. The default sprite on the window of Scratch is the cat sprite. This is the blocks palette. You can take the blocks of the categories of motion, looks, sounds, events, and even control. You can select many blocks. This is the tabs bar. There are many tabs over here, such as settings, file, edit. In the settings tab, you can find the language and color mode tab. In the file tab, you can find the new, load from your computer, save to your computer. You can use these options to load new load from your computer if you have saved. And the next option has can save any project that you have made recently. And the edit tab has the restore option and turn on turbo mode option. You can name your project over here. There is the tutorials tab which will help you get started. There are many categories such as animation, art, music, and games and stories. You can create many things with the tutorials. And if you have a problem with the Scratch app, you can click debug. And if you want to understand it, just click the arrow options, as I am clicking over here. So guys, this was the Scratch window explained. We left just one. Let me show you what it was. There is the extension block at the corner, down left corner. It has many things such as music, pen, and even video sensing. The music option allows you to play music in your Scratch window. The pen option allows you to draw lines with your sprites. Video sensing option allows you put your hand towards the screen. The camera will detect it and make your sprite do any sound or anything. Now let me explain you about the backdrops. You can select backdrops from the backdrop catalog and choose a backdrop button, paint button, so you can paint your own backdrop. And you can use the surprise option to give you, so that the Scratch window will give you any surprise backdrop. And the upload backdrop option allows you to upload any picture and put it as your backdrop from your computer. If you want to see the backdrop you have selected right now, see over here. This allows you to see and even add backdrops. You will see many backdrops such as Blue Sky 2, Canyon, and even Hill. It has many categories such as fantasy, music, sports, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, and patterns. You can use them all to see many backdrops in many categories. So now guys, that was the Scratch window explained. If you want more information, go check my next video. Bye guys!